so today I'm showing you guys how I'm doing a makeup tutorial based on this image I have on my phone here. Also I have another one right here. These have been going around a lot ever since the Met Gala happened, and I've always liked stuff like this, and I've always thought it was cool because, like, I don't know, just religious stuff has like always kind of been cool. So yeah, so I thought I'd give it a try. I've seen people like do makeup like this, and so I thought this would be a lot of fun. I've been wanting to do this, so it's already 2 a.m. in the morning. Oh well. I guess I'm filming a makeup tutorial at 2 a.m. But yeah, this should be a lot of fun to do. I'm pretty excited to do this. So yeah. Alright, so first we're going to start off today with the brows. Normally I don't start with brows, but today I am. Today we're going to be using the Kat Von D's 24 Hour Sleepy Brow Pomade. So, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm just using graphite. It's just a black eyebrow pomade. And then of course I'm using a small angled brush. This one isn't the Kat Von D one, this one's an e.l.f. small angled brush. So next, I'm gonna kind of draw on the shadows on top of the eyebrows, like tags of like to act as if like it's like crying, like my eyebrows are actually scrunched together and like the muscles, you know. So we're gonna be basically shading, I guess the muscles, the eyebrow muscles. Like, I don't know what it is. Yeah, I guess it's like your face muscles, and then when you cry, they kind of like bunch together. I don't know. But let's see. I think I'm gonna be using this Kat Von D's Metal Matte palette. I'm gonna be using a little tiny eyeshadow crease brush. I'll also use this as a tiny blending brush, like to like blend in small areas. I'm gonna be using the shade Suede for now, and I'm just gonna kind of mark out and blend around the areas where I'm gonna draw the little eyebrow muscles. So next we're using the Kat Von D Saint Center palette, and the shade we're going to be using is called Amen, and it's kind of like a banana-ish color, like a lightish, whitish, yellowish color, more banana than anything. I'm just going to brush it all over my crease. So next we're using Kat Von D's Metal Matte palette, and we're going to be using the shade Suede again, and I'm just going to dip my blending brush into it, and I'm going to be blending kind of like along my crease, and I'm going to bring it like up here, like the shadows going from down here to like up here, almost to like my brow, to kind of like make it look like the eyes are going that way, like as if they're crying. Next I'm using Kat Von D's Saint Center palette again, and we're going to be using the shade Crucifix, which is the brown. I could use a brown and Metal Matte palette, but I'm going to use this palette again. So yeah, we're going to dip into this with a little crease brush, and I'm going to be applying the shade kind of like in the corners, just like deepen like the, I guess like the creases more, like by my nose. I'll also probably contour my nose right after this, but yeah, I guess I'm going to deepen like this area over here and kind of bring it down to my eyelid. crease using some concealer. So next I'm using the Kat Von D Saint and Cinder palette again, and this time I'm using the shade called Chalice. It's the one right here. Kind of like a light brown, almost bronzy kind of shade. It's metallic, so I'm applying that onto my crease. Next, we're going to be contour my nose using the Untitled Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm going to be dipping into the shade right here, and then applying and blending out with this kind of like banana shade. So next I'm using Kat Von D's Metal Matte Palette again, and I think I'm going to dip into the shade Suede and kind of just brush it underneath my eyes, blend it out a little bit, just to at least put something underneath my eyes. Next I'm going to dip in a little bit into the shade Oak from Kat Von D's Metal Matte Palette. I'm going to just get a little bit, and I'm going to brush it like right underneath like this area, like the little, I don't know, I guess like, not like directly under my waterline, but kind of like underneath it. Kind of give it some more shadows down here. Okay, so next I'm going to dip into my Untitled Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm going to dip into this blush shade right here with the little blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of just apply it onto my nose, just kind of make my nose a bit red to make it look like I've been crying. Because in the pictures that I've been looking at, their noses are red, and usually when I cry my nose turns red, so yeah. Pretty sure everyone noses turns red when they cry. I'm going to dip it a little bit more into this darker one over here, just to kind of add a bit more. I'm really blending it out too. Probably gonna add more like blush on the cheeks as well. Okay, so next I'm using some blush from the Untitled Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm using a powder brush, and I'm just gonna dip into this light color first. I'm playing it like along my cheekbones, kind of like I'm contouring a bit, but I'm also gonna be like doing it dramatically, I guess. Contour my jawline with the Untitled Cosmetics contour palette again. I'm going to be dipping into this shade down here, a little contour brush, and I'm just going to be contouring along my jawline. So next I'm using Kat Von D's Metal Matte Palette, and I'm going to be dipping into the shade Thunderstruck for highlight. I'm applying some highlight on my nose, I'm applying some highlight up here, and I think, I don't know if I might add some more on my eyes or what, but I'll see. Kat Von Von D's Ludwig liquid lipstick onto my lips. Next I'm using Kat Von D's Metal Matte Palette again, and I'll be using the shade Thunderstruck as a little lip highlight up here. Just gonna like brush it on. Okay, so next I'm gluing on tears onto my eyes. I made these ones out of hot glue. I'm just gluing them on with eyelash glue. You could use liquid latex, that would also work. I don't know what else would work, but that would, eyelash glue and liquid latex would probably be the safest things to apply your face. So yeah. Okay, so my camera died while I was playing the tears. I can't really, oops, I dropped something. I can't really talk because I feel like, if I talk, like, too much, or, like, I don't know. Like, I feel like if I move my mouth too much, like, the tears can move. I don't know, it's just weird having something on your face, you know? I don't know, but I think they look pretty cool. I made them from hot glue, in case y'all, if I didn't say that earlier. It's just easy, I actually did it on my desk. If I did it on wax paper or whatever, I just squeezed the hot glue out and I dragged it up, so that way it just like kind of, yeah. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. I've been wanting to do a look like this for a while, so yeah. So anyways, we're gonna apply some Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil. It's basically, I guess, lip gloss. I don't know. If you have lip gloss, that would also be awesome. I don't have lip gloss, so. But this is the closest thing to lip gloss I have. But anyway, so we're gonna be applying it onto my lips. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one as much as I did. This was like kind of like a last minute video I just came up with. I've actually been like inspired by like one of these pictures lately, and I've been kind of planning to do this for a while. I finally do it tonight. It's like 2 in the morning right now. Actually it is 3:30 right now in the morning, so yeah. It only took me an hour to do this makeup, which wasn't that bad, maybe even less, I don't know. But I really do like how it came out. At first I thought I made this look too angry, and I was like, oh no, like the Pennywise look, but I think it looks fine right now actually, like it doesn't look too bad. But the tears came out really badass. I liked it. I kind of like rainbow blush. It looks like cool. I normally don't do that, so that's pretty cool to see myself like that. I also don't wear lip gloss a lot and stuff, so I thought this is like a really fun look to do. I didn't apply any false lashes. I felt like that would have been like way too dramatic for this look. I just kind of want to do something simple. Also, I don't know if I had mentioned, but I added some mascara on, so yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more coming up. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I usually post a lot on Instagram. I usually post sneak peeks on my Instagram story, like future YouTube videos, and like I also post like a bunch of pictures on Instagram. And also, I post like other stuff on Twitter too if you all want to follow me. But I guess be sure to follow me on both, because that'll be really awesome if you did. So yeah, so make sure you show some love down in the comments for this video. Tell me what you guys think about it. So yeah, and also be sure to leave a like, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So that I would love you guys so much if you did that. So I guess thanks for watching. Bye.